Warning, this video contains controversial facts, so we want to make sure you proceed at your own risk. The Z-Grill 7-in-1 wood pellet smoker grill, and there is going to be a special bonus, stay to the end. It's valued at almost 300 bucks. So again, these facts that we're going to go over about this Z-Grill here, all right, it's got an electric digital controls, outdoor use, parties only, okay? Because this recreates the original wood pellets to achieve ultimate wood fire taste. This grill infuses your wood with natural wood smoky flavors that you can't get anywhere else. Not charcoal, not gas. Hot, fast, low and slow Z-Grill pellets offer 8-in-1 versatility. I know it was a 7-in-1, but it's an 8-in-1 versatility. That's the catch. 3-year warranty, upgraded cart with locking caster wheels. You can grill, smoke, bake, roast, everything on this. Automatic electric auger feed system here. Maintains temperature from 180 to 450 degrees. 450 is excellent for really hot searing steaks. And the controller keeps it within plus or minus 20 degrees, allowing you to set it and forget it. Huge grilling area and hopper. It's had a 513 square inch main rack, 187 on top, 15-pound hopper capacity, and these grills are fantastic. Now, it's easy and predictable because the Elite offers consistency that you can control, that you can trust. It allows you to craft amazing smoked barbecue, ribs, chicken, beef, all of that, fish. All right, just set it and forget it. Set the temperature and away it goes. Big grilling area for hopper capacity. Again, the main rack, fantastic. Now, Z-Grills want you to ensure that you're 100% happy with their products. So because of that, any reason, there's a 100% satisfaction guarantee within 30 days for a replacement, okay? Basically that it's still new and sellable. So that means if you actually use it, you may not be able to return it unless there's a defect. So make sure that you take pictures, okay? How it works, okay? There's an auger, feeds the pellets arrive in the fire pot, and then it cooks. Boom, okay? Customers are really enjoying knowing that this is a good thing. Now hold on, warning, wait, don't miss out. Stop, don't delete yet, because you're almost ready to buy. Why not check this out? The special bonus I told you about, valued at almost $300, you're gonna be able to get some free stuff from us as a thank you. It's easy, and here's all you need to do. In the Amazon product, add it to your cart. Down below in the link, you don't have to buy anything, in the link of the YouTube description, there is Get It Now. You click on that, go to it'll take you to Amazon, put it in your cart, okay? After that, come back to this video, and in the comments, click, wow, anything you want. Barbecue, chicken, smoke, fire, having fun, party, birthday, love, all that. Put it down in the description. Then after that, go down there a little bit farther. You'll see this link over there, georgepauly.com/bonuses, and then that will redirect you to your bonuses. So guys, hey, thank you very much. Now go ahead, click on the description, put that over in Amazon. Don't buy it, just put it over there for us and come back and get your bonuses, all right? Thank you. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.